right? As rocks break down, whether it be due to physical weathering or chemical weathering, they produce three things. One thing they produce is the sediment or the clast, and those are just little bits and pieces of the rock. They also produce soil, and that's the tiniest bits and pieces of the rock. Those are the clay minerals, the really, really tiny ones. And then third, they produce ions in solution, right? Those unbonded elements that have a charge on them that are just floating around in the liquid, in the water. And these three products are produced at different rates depending on the climate and the mineral chemistry, right? So the rate of weathering depends on the climate, right? So the temperature, the precipitation, the biology presence, all of that changes the rate. But also the mineral chemistry. Some rocks are just more resistant to weathering than others. Some of them erode and weather really easily. So for example, quartz is the most stable mineral at Earth's surface. Remember back to Bowen's reaction series, we saw that quartz had the lowest melting temperature, right? It was the one that was produced at the lowest temperatures inside of a magma, inside of a melt. And that's because it is, right, it's the most stable at temperatures at Earth's surface. So quartz is super, super stable, and it's going to be that mineral that is the hardest to break down. It breaks down the slowest, sticks around the longest.